How to fix video recording not working issue on Honor 200. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold this power button and then tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and restarting your phone can sometime fix your small software glitches like video recording not working issue. But after restarting, if you're still facing the issue, then open settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Now in apps, click on apps option again and then scroll down and tap on camera. Now here you will see a force stop button, so tap on this force stop option and from the pop-up again tap on force stop to confirm. And after force stopping the camera app, the video recording will start working properly. But after doing this, if you are still facing the issue, then go to the storage of camera and from here tap on clear cache and clear data to clear the cache memory and data of camera app. Now to clear the cache memory, just simply tap on this clear cache option and the cache memory will be cleared. And to clear the app data, tap on clear data, then from the pop-up tap on OK to confirm. And after that the app data will be cleared. Now after doing this, the video recording issue will be fixed. But somehow if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates and then tap on software update. And from here, if you have not updated your mobile's software to the latest version, then update the software, and after updating the software, the camera will start working properly and video recording will be enabled. So that's how you can fix video recording not working issue on Honor 200. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.